Google Cloud Platform Architect Certification Training. A Google Cloud Platform Architect is a professional responsible for designing, implementing, and managing cloud-based solutions on Google Cloud Platform, GCP. They analyze business requirements, recommend appropriate GCP services, and create scalable and secure architectures to meet organizational needs. They possess expertise in GCP services, infrastructure design, security, and optimization techniques. Topics: 1. Introduction to Google Cloud for Techs. 2. Google Cloud, Introduction to GCP. 3. Google Cloud IAM, Identity and Access Management. 4. Google Regions and Zones. 5. Google Cloud, Virtual Machine. 6. Networking, VPC. 7. Google Cloud Load Balancer and Auto-Scaling. 8. CDN, Content and Delivery Network. 9. Google Cloud Storage, Cloud SQL. 10. Cloud Storage, Data Store. 11. Cloud Storage, Spanner. 12. Google Cloud Storage, Store that Gorilla Picture. For more information visit our website intelligencegateway.com.